Hi, I'm Shannon. I'm with Anderson and Associates. I'm going to talk to you today about when you actually need a wind mitigation or a 4-point inspection. It not only goes for customers that are purchasing a home, but also when you're shopping your insurance coverage and are possibly looking to switch homeowner carriers. Homes that were built 2002 and newer are not required to have a wind mitigation inspection completed. They are automatically getting these credits. The only time that you would be expected to have a wind mit done in that time frame is if you have opening protection or hurricane protection on all openings, which would include skylights, sliding glass doors, garage doors, etc. So that would be a time when, if you do have a newer home, 2002 or newer, that you may want to consider purchasing to obtain that credit. Wind mitigation you may want to consider even if you have an older home in two cases. One would be if the roof has recently been replaced, such as you had a roof replacement in 2002 or more recent, because you would automatically acquire the FBC credit, which is normally $150 to $200 depending on the carrier. Also, we're finding that older homes built in the mid 70s to even the early 80s have a lot of the wind mitigation features, such as clips or single wraps. You also get credits for the shape of your roof. If you have a hip roof, that is thought to withstand wind better than a gable. And so a hip roof it comes down on all four sides. So it basically looks like a pyramid sitting on a home. So it's thought that the wind will actually wrap around it rather than lift up like a standard gable roof. So if you have a home that's older but has had a recent roof replacement, I would definitely recommend having the wind mitigation completed in order to save on your insurance premium. And what that does is it actually reduces the hurricane portion you pay on your homeowner's insurance. So we've seen where it has saved clients anywhere from $700 to $1,200 a year off that hurricane portion. 4-point is usually going to be required on any home that is 30 years old or older. And what the 4-point does is it actually looks at the AC, plumbing, roof, and wiring, and checks for any updates or conditions that may not comply with carriers' underwriting regulations. So really what they're checking for is updates and life expectancies of those systems. I want to go back to the wind mit. Can I do that? Sure. Okay. So wind mitigations are always a good idea, especially if you've had a roof replacement, even if you have an older home.